So we got our package here in the mail today. This came directly from Toyota. Obviously we need the left and the right, and when you go to order those online, there's two different variations. I couldn't confirm this, but I did call the dealership and ask what the difference is, and what I was able to find is that one is for like colder weather climates, which that's a problem. In the summertime mine work, in the wintertime they fail. They hardly open at all. And so here in Utah it's pretty warm, some days it's pretty cold, and so I went for the colder weather ones since mine seem to fail in the winter and not work at all. A lot of people buy them off Amazon. I think these were $90 to $100 shipped. I'd rather do the job once, right? I've had these ones for 22 years now and they just started failing, so I figured why do the job twice when I can do it once? Pay the extra for the OEM ones, don't cheap out. There's the two part numbers side by side. Looking at it right here, we see where it says RH and LH. That's for right hand versus left hand side. Another item I noticed is on the Amazon reviews for the cheaper Amazon ones, it doesn't come with the existing hardware, and so you have to reuse the old hardware, and that just creates problems. I guess the bushings don't fit quite right, and so I like that these ones come with all the, not the hardware, but the brackets themselves here. Alright, there's going to be two 12mm bolts here, the letter R printed on the metal. There's two 12mm bolts. Same with the other side. There's two right here and two right here. Alright, so I have the hatch fully opened, just holding it up with my head. Alright, there's those two, and the hatch just got a lot heavier. Now let's get these top two. Looks like it's just a little stuck on there to the paint. Let's grab our new right side. The Noakes has the R stamped into it. Let's put this in place. You need to reuse your 4 existing 12mm bolts. All 4 bolts are the same length, so you may want to add some Loctite on them and then go ahead and reinsert those. Start the bolts by hand so you don't cross thread them. And don't tighten them all the way down just so you can continue to adjust it. Those two are now installed. Let's do the top two. And to get this one lined up, helps to open the hatch all the way and push it higher than it usually goes.